Rufus, is the 11-second dance party! Yeah! Oh my God! Oh God! I did. You fizzed up your beer as much as I did from dancing that hard. It was amazing.
Now I know that the fringe has begun.
Yes.
Is that what Lufuke means? Is that it?
That's what Lufuck means.
Absolutely.
Just checking.
And also the man in the back tonight who brought us that 11-second dance party, none other than our associate.
Our associate and our DJ for tonight, Adam W. Give it up, everybody. Yeah.
We're going to be.
He's going to be rocking the dance floor for you later.
Absolutely. We're going to be bringing you a variety of DJs over the next 10 days. It's very exciting.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Rufus, how do you feel about the 2010 Fringe?
The 20th anniversary, 20e anniversaire du Festival Fringe de Montréal.
20 ans du Festival Fringe.
2010.
I mean, you're almost 20 years old yourself,
I know.
so.
I can almost drink in New Hampshire. I'm so excited. Can I get a beer?
Do you feel, yes.
Rufus, you've definitely earned yourself a beer.
So tell us you feel optimistic about this year.
I feel istic.
Good. Always good with the words, Ruf. All right, man. Go get yourself a beer.
You've earned it.
All right.
Oh. Rufus O'Hallahan, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Oh, and how about that opening act that we had? Yeah. The show is called 7x1 Samurai, and it's apparently incredibly amazing. I talked to people who saw it tonight.
He just finished his opening night and ripped his way all the way over here. I'm going to tell you that his show is happening at my Venue 9, and his next show is on Sunday, June 13th at 8:30. You should definitely check it out. It won all sorts of awards: Best Solo Performance in the DC Fringe, Best Solo and Best of the Fest at the Orlando Fringe.
And Best Opening Act of the first show of the 13th hour of 2010. All right. Yes.
Merci, 7x1 Samurai.
So let's get into this show.
Yeah, let's bring out our first full act of the evening. I'm very excited because this first act is...
I'm just excited to try out this.
We don't have anything between us and you anymore.
That's what we want. We don't want this desk. A desk is too serious.
We still have like mic stands pointing back there in case we get uncomfortable up here and decide to... This might all change tomorrow. Who knows?
This is a slippery seat.
Oh, no. Did somebody grease you up tonight, Jimmy?
No.
Somebody's going to.
Okay.
All right, our next act is very, very near and dear to my heart. Et ici, au 13e heure, nous avons beaucoup d'actes anglophones, beaucoup d'actes francophones, mais cet artiste n'a pas besoin de langue ou de langage.
C'est ça. C'est les artistes internationaux qui transcend language barriers.
Just like that sentence did.
Ouais, absolument.
Jimmy, very well done. This next performer is one half of a duo that has been here several times before and captured all our hearts.
They've captured our hearts and sucked our brains through straws. Yeah.
Please welcome from SHOSHINZ, A Day in the Life of Miss Hiccup.
A day in the life of Miss Hiccup.
Thank you, Yanomi from SHOSHINZ, all the way from Tokyo, Japan. Oh, wow.
Miss Hiccup, would you like to spin our money wheel?
Yes.
Yes. Now, we might have to explain what happens, unless it's a dance party. You know how that works. But let's just do it.
22-second slow motion fight.
Let's get some crazy fight music. Everybody get up and slow-mo fight each other. Oh my God!
Wow! Oh man, that was incredible.
That 22-second slow motion fight was instigated by a day in the life of Miss Hiccup.
You can see that show, A Day in the Life of Miss Hiccup, tomorrow, the opening performance at Venue 8, Mission Santa Cruz, at 4:45.
You know, the kind of act that she was doing here on stage is, in Tokyo, it's just like, it's like their equivalent of George F. Walker plays. Like, that's just like the most, like, everybody does that. That's just like,
Jimmy,
I have such a fantastical idea of what Tokyo is like.
it's amazing. If you,
Like, I think the person serving me coffee would be dancing like that.
the thing is that if you did that in slow motion, it would be just normal theater here. I don't. Did you hear that during the slow motion dance fight? Somebody actually did manage to smash their beer bottle, and I just pictured all the little fragments just like slowly rotating through the air.
A really slow smash sound.
Yeah, sounded kind of slow.
That was wild. Someone was lifting up their chair at the end. I love that.
I was impressed.
Yeah, yeah. So, I don't know. Est-ce qu'on va à notre prochaine invité?
Oui.